Toyota A1 car read and rides channel shore. Here's a 500-word YouTube video script for the 2025 Toyota A1 car, written in a smooth, engaging style perfect for a car review or promo style video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something fresh, futuristic, and seriously exciting, the all-new 2025 Toyota A1. This compact electric hatchback is Toyota's bold move into the entry-level EV market, and honestly, it's making some serious waves. Right off the bat, the design of the A1 grabs your attention. It's sleek, minimal, and distinctly modern without trying too hard. The front fascia carries sharp LED headlights that stretch across a clean grille-less front, a signature move in EV design. The body lines are aerodynamic but still playful, giving it a sporty and youthful vibe. Toyota's really aiming this one at younger drivers and city dwellers who want style without sacrificing practicality. Under the hood, or should I say under the floor, Toyota's packed in a 42 kWh battery, giving the A1 an estimated range of about 250 kilometers or roughly 155 miles on a full charge. Perfect for daily commuting, quick weekend trips, or zipping around the city. It's not about high performance here, it's about smart, efficient driving, and the A1 delivers that with ease. The electric motor produces around 130 horsepower, which might not sound like a lot, but paired with the car's lightweight frame and instant torque, it feels peppy and responsive on the road. Inside, the A1 continues its clean, minimal theme. You're greeted with a large central touchscreen, Toyota's new Smart Connect system, which handles everything from navigation to music to climate controls. There's also a digital driver display, customizable to show exactly what you want, from range and battery levels to turn-by-turn directions. Materials feel surprisingly premium for a car in this price range, with soft-touch plastics, sustainable fabrics, and a generally well-put-together cabin. One thing Toyota has nailed with the A1 is the space. Even though it's a compact car, the flat floor and clever layout give it a surprisingly roomy feel inside. Rear passengers won't feel cramped, and the cargo space is generous enough for groceries, gear, or weekend luggage. In terms of safety and tech, the 2025 A1 is packed. You've got Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 as standard, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. Plus, it includes over-the-air updates, so your car keeps getting better even after you drive it off the lot. Now let's talk pricing. Toyota's aiming to make the A1 one of the most affordable EVs on the market. Rumors point to a starting price of around $25,000 before incentives, which is a game changer for anyone looking to make the switch to electric without breaking the bank. So, who's the 2025 Toyota A1 for? It's for the urban driver who wants efficiency, style, and tech in a package that's easy to park and fun to drive. It's not trying to be a Tesla killer, it's trying to make EVs accessible, and in that mission, Toyota might have just nailed it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this look at the new A1, hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think about Toyota's latest EV move. See you next time. Let me know if you'd like a version with more humor, cinematic flair, or in a different style.